to all my awesome YouTube fans. How are you doing each day? Well, thank you so much for tuning in today's awesome vlog. Curious what I'm doing each day in my awesome room today. We do got some unboxings for you. Basically, I got some packages right here. But let me kind of explain on what it's actually for. Remember this bad boy here? My 7-inch display model for my camera, basically, or the camcorder. Instead of this sitting directly on top of my camera, I actually found something I can actually mount it directly to the tripod. But let's go ahead and do the first unboxing now. Oh, unbagging or whatnot. Quick! It's a very nice bracket for it. I like it. Poink! Poink! It's basically this little guy. It's pretty cool. What it is basically a clamp, and it's very adjustable. We'll get into this more later and how it actually works and how it mounts to the tripod. But we got another mystery package. It's nothing to do with the camera itself, it's actually to do more for my display. That's tied open. You know, these pack stuff really nicely. And basically what I got is a couple things for my model. I'm gonna try it out and see if it works. Awesome. Just take it out of the bag. It actually has screws. It's actually basically this mount. Nice. But alright, if you guys and girls are exploring this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Leave an awesome comment down below. Please like, please share. Peace out. We'll hopefully see you in the future vlog. And thank you so much for watching and have a nice day. Peace out from your boy Chris.